The National Electrical Code, Section 408.34a, states that service panels shall be securely mounted in place. Additionally, Section 110.3b requires that electrical equipment be installed and used in accordance with any instructions included in a listing or labeling. The NEC itself does not specify a particular type of screw for mounting service panels. Instead, the manufacturer's instructions for the specific panel take precedence and may specify the type of screw to be used. Different companies might have their own policies regarding the types of screws used for mounting service panels. Some might prefer sheetrock screws, while others might use whatever screw is readily available. Rocker screws, also known as drywall screws, are self-drilling screws designed for hanging drywall. They feature a pointed tip and a curved head, allowing them to be easily driven into drywall without needing a pilot hole. In general, a screw is considered code compliant as long as it is the correct size and type for the service panel and used according to the manufacturer's instructions. However, adhering to the manufacturer's specific instructions is always the best practice. To ensure code compliance and safety, firstly, consult the manufacturer's instructions for the specific service panel to determine the recommended type of screw. Secondly, if the manufacturer's instructions do not specify a particular type of screw, use a screw that is the correct size and type for the service panel and is approved for electrical use. Thirdly, do not use rocker screws to mount service panels unless they are specifically approved by the manufacturer. The key consideration is secure mounting and adherence to the panel manufacturer's specifications. Always prioritize safety and compliance with the NEC and manufacturer's guidelines when working with electrical equipment. Using the wrong type of screw could compromise the secure mounting of the panel, potentially leading to safety hazards. Therefore, it's crucial to verify the screw's suitability and approval for electrical use. Remember, the goal is to create a safe and reliable electrical installation that meets all applicable code requirements. When in doubt, consult a qualified electrician or electrical inspector for guidance.